Hello friends, today we are going to learn about 3-hinge parabolic arch which is loaded with uniformly distributed load over the any span. So let us take the example as 3-hinge parabolic arch having the central rise value as a 3.5 meter. It means we have given R is equal to 3.5 meter. Next, span length as a 20 meter. So capital L is 20 meter. It means both the half span as a 10 meter and it carries a uniformly distributed load as 10 kilonewton per meter, covers 6 meter span from the left hinge. It means we have given the UDL value of span 6 meter from joint A as a 10 kilonewton per meter as a given loading system. So we have to calculate the maximum positive and negative bending moment according to the given loading condition. So let us calculate the value. So first of all, we require reaction at A, reaction at B, horizontal thrust at location B as well as horizontal thrust at location A. So if we take moment at A which is equal to 0, then 10 into 6 by 2 in clockwise direction. So the moment due to the UDL is 10 into 6 as a distance into distance by 2 and RB is in the anti-clockwise direction. So minus 20 into RB must be equal to 0. Hence our reaction at support B or hinge B which is equal to 9 kilonewton. So our value is 9 kilonewton, and if we take sigma V equal to 0, it means that RA in the upward direction plus RB into upward direction minus UDL into distance in downward direction is 0. Hence RA value is equal to 51 kilonewton. So our RA value is 51 kilonewton. Now for the horizontal thrust, we are going to take moment at crown as a 0, and if we take the right hand side of the section, then RB into total distance is 10 meter. So RB value is 9 into 10 meter from the crown minus horizontal thrust into height as a 3.5. So h into 3.5 which is equal to 0. Hence our h value is 25.71 kilonewton. So first of all, we have to calculate the horizontal thrust reaction at both the hinge using the equilibrium conditions. Now first of all, if we assume that maximum value on A to C part at distance x meter which is less than 6 meter, or we can say that if x is less than 6 meter, then moment at x can be calculated by, if we take the section over here at distance x meter, then moment at x distance which is equal to RA into x clockwise. So 51 into x in the clockwise direction, 10 into x by 2 in anti-clockwise direction. So minus 10 into x by 2 as a 10x square by 2, and minus h into yx as a vertical height. So minus 25.71 into yx. So for the distance x meter, we require the vertical distance as a yx, and for that we have equation y is equal to 4r by l square into x into l minus x, where 4 is constant, r is given as 3.5 meter divided by l is given as a 20 into x into 20 minus x. Hence our value for y which is equal to 0.7x minus 0.035 into x square. So let us put this value of y in the equation mx. We will have 51 into x minus 5x square minus 25.71 into yx as a 0.70x minus 0.035 into x square. Now solving this term, we will have mx is equal to 33 into x minus 4.1 into x square. Now for the maximum value, we require dmx by dx as a 0. It means that now derivation of mx with respect to x, so for 33x it is 33 minus 4.1 is constant, and for x square it is 2 into x, which is equal to 0. It means that our value for x, which is equal to 4.024 meter from support A. And for that, if we calculate the moment value as a maximum value, then from equation number 1 we will have 33 into x, which is equal to 4.024 according to above calculation, minus 4.1 into x square, and if we solve this equation, we will have moment value is 66.40 kilonewton meter in span A to C. So we can calculate the maximum positive value, which is 66.40 due to the UDL on span AC. Now let us going ahead for the calculation of maximum negative bending moment in span CB, which is non-loaded part. So it is obvious that at mid span we will have the maximum negative bending moment, but we are going to calculate the location of maximum negative bending moment as, now for span BC we will have moment at x at any distance from joint B, which is RB as a 9 into x as a horizontal distance minus capital H into yx. So capital H is 25.71 into yx as a 0.7x minus 0.035 into x square. So by solving this term, we will have mx is equal to So the value for moment at x is equal to minus 9x plus 0.9 x square, and for maximum location we will have del mx by del x is equal to 0. Hence the value is minus 9 plus 2 times 0.9 x, which must be equal to 0. Hence our x value is 5 meter, which is exactly at midspan of the section. So maximum negative bending moment, which is equal to minus 9 into 5 plus 0.9 into 5 square, which is equal to minus 22.489 kilonewton meter. So thus we can calculate maximum negative and maximum positive bending moment using the concept section at different location. dm by dx equal to 0, we can calculate the location of our maximum and minimum bending moment at the given parabolic arch. Thank you.